Wow! Singapore flag! Okay, nak kena junjung sikit. Sorry.
Hi, this is Hazriq. I'm at the Wisma Geylang Serai, and today we just attended the program by StoryScribblers and StoryScribblers and PPIS, and with me we have the one and only Nek Selampit.
Wow, one and only. Isn't that cool? Yes, indeed, one and only. Where else can you find, right? Nek Selampit. Yes.
Thank you very much. It's nice to see you today.
Thank you so much for taking the time to be with us for this Friday event by PPIS. Yes, indeed.
Big dreams, lots of big dreams, things I wanna do someday. Big dreams, lots of big dreams, big dreams are okay. Left, come on.
Alright. Storytelling is basically a wonderful bonding tool between a parent and a child. I mean, I have to definitely vote for it because basically what you see through storytelling is basically a child seeing a story through the eyes of a parent, and it's wonderful when they actually get to see that we also as a person is a child inside, and when we bond with a child through a story, they don't feel intimidated. As a matter of fact, they see us from a point of view of another child, so basically we're friends, and it's nice to know that we are able to actually just click from a friend point of view.
Big dreams, lots of big dreams.
Now, to become a very good storyteller, or at least an efficient storyteller, definitely is also the skills that you need. Is definitely one, for sure, is perspective taking. Now, when you tell to a child, it is very hard to deliver, the message of the story. I wouldn't say the moral, but at least the message of the story, or the feel of the story, if you're speaking as an adult. I just feel that when you are able to perspective take very well, you will be able to deliver the story more genuinely, more from the heart, and the child will receive it even more willingly. Ready, steady, go!
Banana.
Banana! Betul! Oh, sorry. Hands.
Oh, spectacles.
Spectacles, well done! That's top of the list. But second, definitely is also to just be a bit more relaxed. When you're a very strict storyteller, or very firm storyteller, it's kind of a bit tricky because you have to let loose. Well, as you can tell, right now I'm not in my normal human form. I am currently playing a particular character in this story, which is Titi, or a little mouse by the name of Titi. What I believe is when I storytell to younger children, I just feel that it's important to just partake in the storytelling rather than just tell the story, and it's more believable that way. Take one.
A ball.
A ball! Yes, correct. Put down. Wait. Wow! Singapore flag! Okay, nak kena junjung sikit. Sorry. Last but not least is also to have fun. Now, stories speak to tellers, you see. When a story speaks to a teller, the teller will be able to deliver it more genuinely and more from the heart. And when you are able to sense those kind of stories, you have a winner. And you will definitely deliver the best of you as a storyteller.
Big dreams, lots of big
Of
dreams.
course, okay, not only StoryScribblers, there's something bigger than StoryScribblers happening, which is the 398.2 Storytelling Festival. It's a yearly festival by Story Connection, and this year, in conjunction with the event itself, Storytelling Association Singapore will also be joining forces to bring a whole day of fun of storytelling at the National Library, Bugis. So 1st of December, book the date, block it. Full day of storytelling. It's fun, and we are telling too, of course. Tak apa. Alamak, sampai dua. Nak guess ke?
Paint and a flower.
Flower betul. And a paint what?
Paint what? Toothpaste brush.
Toothpaint brush. Boleh lah. Wah, menang ni. Plus 2 more. Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. A round of applause for him. Wah, dahsyat lah. Ini kita memang daripada kecil masih dapat setiap tahun, jadi bila orang pegang kita dah tahu this is the feel of our national flag. Well done, Adik. Good job.
I thought it was a wonderful session, and thank you very much. You have any last words for the audience over here?
No, I just feel that what's happening for parents and children, what's important is actually the fact that you take the time to just bond with your child. And I mean, I'm all for this idea of just bonding over stories. So I am so happy that you came down with your family. We bonded over stories and we had fun. So looking forward to seeing you in more sessions like this. All right, Hazriq?
Yes, all right.
Cool.
See you, bye.
Thank you. Bye.